I look like if Hermione Granger got mixed with like an Instagram baddie or like an e-girl. I don't know, but like I'm digging it. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be we're going to be playing, testing, trying out the brand new oh my goodness, this is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 85678. Yeah, it's Mothership 8 Divine Rose 2 palette. I'm so excited about this palette.
You don't even know.
I can't wait. We're going to test this out. I am going to be doing basically just a review on the palette itself. And if you're new to this channel, then hello. I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on into the review. Go make coffee. Alright, so we're not going to waste any time here. This is what the palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. And did you guys see that Naomi Campbell is now like the face of Divine Rose?
Oh my goodness.
Is she the face of Pat McGrath or the face of Divine Rose? I don't know, but I saw all the videos and everything with her in them on Pat's Instagram. Stunning, gorgeous, beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. So, Kiva, are you good, honey? If you guys know, I am a Pat McGrath fanatic. I love Pat McGrath. Literally anything. Oh, didn't even tell you. I got the limited edition pink. I have opened this up and played with it. I've not used it on my eyes. I haven't even swatched anything yet, but I have opened it up and looked at it and everything. Here is what the gorgeous pink palette looks like in all of its glory. I know it's very reflective so you can see my monitor. Here's what the palette looks like inside. Look at this. If you like dusty rose pink colors, this is going to be your dream palette. I am so obsessed with this palette. I can't. We are going to go ahead and do a quick little swatch party because I do want to play with each and every one of these shades here. Here are the first 3 shades in the palette right here. The pigmentation is insane. I tried doing it down here earlier, but my camera kept going in and out of focus because it couldn't find a face, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it on my hand. That pink color, oh my goodness, these are all metallic. Ooh, this one right here, so pretty. Wow, look at this. Oh goodness, I think I may need to play around with that one today. And now we're getting into the special shades. There's 4 special shades, as you know, in each Pat McGrath palette, and she is known for her incredible, amazing special shades. Look, this is nuts. This is like a multi-chrome. Okay, look, it's pink, and now it's green, and it's purple. Oh my goodness, this one right here, all 3 of these are absolutely insane. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the last one right here as well. This one's definitely more of like a topper. Still so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed and I want to play with it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids really quick. Okay, the first shade I'm gonna go into here, I gotta find a little card. It is called Naked Blush. I'm gonna go into this transition shade right here, and I'm going to put this all over the crease. So as I'm filming this today, it is my birthday. It is June 7th, and that means it's my birthday, and I am 26 today. I was born in 94, so for anyone that wants to know. Me and my parents are going to this hibachi place. We can't actually dine in because they're still not allowing anyone to actually come in and dine, but they are doing takeout. So we're gonna be getting a whole bunch of hibachi food, and I'm so excited. I'm like the only person that I know that gets scallops at the hibachi place, but I love them so much. Okay, going into Naked Blush here, we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the crease. If you know anything about Pat McGrath, then you know that her shadows are extremely pigmented, so you only need the tiniest little dip and then you can knock it off and then you're good to go. Now I understand that Pat's shadows are quite expensive, and I know, I understand because they really are expensive. If this is not something that you are into, then I definitely think that there are like dupes for palettes like this. I just love Pat's packaging and her palettes, and just I think that she is a fantastic woman in general and makeup artist. Like, she is such a inspiration to so many people, and I think that her palettes and her eyeshadows are legit top-notch. See, this shadow right here is just blending so effortlessly. I will say right now, this is quite a biased review. I am still reviewing it, obviously, so if I do see something that doesn't like, that's not normal, like if I see like a patchy shadow or something that's not normal, then I will say it, but like, I'm pretty much going into this being like,
oh my goodness, the shadows are gonna be so good.
so just take that with a grain of salt, because I am a huge Pat McGrath fan, so I don't want you guys thinking that I'm just trying to be like shady about it. No, like it is a pretty biased review, but if I see anything out of the ordinary, I will tell you. Alrighty, well there's that. So pretty. I am going to go ahead and deepen up the outer crease with Extreme Burgundy right here. And we're gonna go ahead and just deepen everything up. Okay, we're taking this. Ooh, she dark though. Look at that. Yes.
So pretty.
So this is basically what we're doing today. It is very, very simple, but I love it. It's so pretty. So now, that one shade earlier that I really like shocked me, it's called Eleganza. Eleganza Extravaganza. Reminds me of RuPaul. And it is this one right up here. I want to go into this shade, and I'm going to put this on the lid. I want it. Ooh, oh, this one may actually need a little bit of, yeah, let me grab a little bit of setting spray. Alright, I got a little bit of MAC Fix Plus here. I really haven't had to use MAC Fix Plus for my shimmers in quite a while, so I wonder why this one, but it's very, it picks up on the brush like crazy. Oh yeah, there we go. This formula just seems to like water a bit and like pick up on a brush a little bit better, which I totally get, it happens. Normally when I play with Pat McGrath palettes, I tend to actually skip over the other metallic shades because I just want to play with the special shades. So this is actually one of my first times that I'm playing with one of the normal shimmer shades, and it's beautiful. It is this dusty rose kind of pink metallic. It's gorgeous. Ooh, I got an idea. Okay, actually, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this kind of brush, and I am going to take the Extreme Burgundy shade, and I'm just going to kind of make a wing. Yes! Okay, you know, I probably should have done that after. Okay. So I'm gonna play with a special shade as well here, because I should have done that liner after playing with the special shade anyways. I am going to go into one of these here, and I'm going to pick up Astral Pink Moon. It is this one at the very end of the palette here, right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just tap this all over, just as a topper shade, you know? Oh yes, look at that sparkle! Literally stunning. You could even wear that shade on its own and just put that on like as your all over lid color. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the wing on this side. I'm actually obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and my face makeup off camera because I need to charge my camera battery really quick because I forgot to charge the camera battery before I started filming this, but then I will come right back to this when I'm done and we'll do the bottom lash line. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face makeup and then I'll come right back to you guys. Okay, and I'm back. So I've got my entire face done, so now we're gonna go ahead and move back on to the lower lash line and then do some mascara and pretty much call it a day. I'm gonna take the Naked Blush shade, that lighter transition, and I'm gonna put it in like the inner, well, actually, I'm gonna do the entire thing with Extreme Burgundy because I think that smokiness would really like look good underneath. Oh yeah, love that. Oh, I love that. Inner corner highlight, and I think for that, ooh, I don't know. Maybe I'll take this one right here again, this topper shade, And then I'll just pop it in the inner corner. I was going to try to do one of those yellow shades, but I think the yellow is going to probably clash with this purple. And this one does have a tiny smidgen of yellow in it as well, so. Alright, that's it for the eyes, and then we are going to pop on some mascara. I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara today. Okay, so mascara is done. I'm not going to do lashes today because I really want to show off this gorgeous, gorgeous shadow. If you have this palette and if you do this kind of same eye look, if you want to wear lashes, by all means, go for it. Do your thing. I just don't feel like putting them on today, honestly, and I do want to really just show off the eyeshadow, but we are going to finish off with lips today, and I'm going to be using, of course, M Cosmetics Infinite Lip Cloud in the shade French Nude because I love this color. And that's that. I'm gonna put a little bit of setting spray. And we are done. You guys, this is the finished look that we did end up creating using the brand new Pat McGrath Divine Rose Volume 2. I'm so excited. I love this palette. It performed so well. The shades, I knew it was going to, but the shades shocked me so much. They're so gorgeous. They're so pretty. They worked really, really well. The only thing is that I had an issue is that this shimmer shade, I did have to use some MAC Fix Plus in a brush, but that does happen from time to time. And then once you actually did use the wetness and the brush got wet, it picked up on the brush like an absolute dream and it was totally fine. I think that this palette is gorgeous, beautiful. I love it. If you don't want to spend the money on this palette, I totally understand, and I think that there are other dupes that you can find that are kind of similar colors, but I think that if you are into Pat McGrath, if you like stuff like this, and if you are a Pat McGrath connoisseur like myself, then I think this is going to be a fantastic add to your collection. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!